Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. As you can see from the figures in front of you, this is going to be a Ghostbusters unboxing. I did mention a couple of months ago, I think when I unboxed this one, that WWE is my main sort of hobby. However, Ghostbusters since a child has always been a big thing for me. So I thought something a bit different. I'd do a Ghostbusters unboxing, which this came through the post today. This item was from Zavvi, zavvi.co.uk. There was an offer on for the Ghostbusters figures. I think 15% off or 12% off, one of the two. So I thought, yeah, why not treat myself? So let's get it unboxed. Careful, I don't actually do that. Open it up. Come on. Right, finally got it in the box. Let's take a look. Packaging there. See you later, see you later, see you later. So, first item I have got is this is Ghostbusters Plasma Afterlife figure. This item is Trevor from the film. Absolutely, his face scan's absolutely spot on. Obviously, it comes with the map. Comes with the Proton pack and a bit of a marshmallow there. Is it the marshmallow? Sorry, it's the marshmallow, little Stay Puft marshmallow men. Just there. Nice little touch. Loving this figure. That's the side and that's the back. So it's got a bit of bio there about Trevor. Obviously, it's going to be a builder figure, Sentinel Pterodogs, and these are the rest of the figures in the line. That's the other side. So yeah, that's Trevor, guys. Really nice figure. And lastly, the other figure I bought is... Last figure I bought is the real Ghostbusters Peter Venkman. Absolutely awesome. Had this figure obviously as a kid. Had both of them as a kid. Comes with the ghost there, the Proton pack with the green Proton stream. Venkman there with his green eyes. A brown suit, bodysuit. And the back, these are the other ones in the line. I've still got all these from the 80s. But just looking at it, just screams very nostalgic. This is back to my childhood. So yeah, I'll try and get some protective cases for them. Keep them mint on card. So yeah, nothing made up with that. So we've got Trevor from Ghostbusters Plasma Afterlife series, and you've got the real Ghostbusters from Hasbro re-release. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you very soon.